potato salad.
Oh, I got it.
I gave it back.
I got it. It's right in the car. I'll get it. Good thing you said
And
that.
there's Kathleen.
Oh, there's Hi, guys. How are you?
Oh, get the hell out of here.
Oh, don't swear. That's your
I
nephew.
hate those things.
What do you want me to do? You want me to do anything?
Why? We can hear you swear on those.
I don't care.
Yeah, then you feel like at
Did
home.
she swear
Oh.
again?
She swore again and again.
That's
Ridiculous.
What is she doing? Oh, she's.
We made her take the girls out. We said, if you guys would stand.
There's the cooks. I'm on vacation.
We're retired.
Beautiful out here.
Come on, sit down.
I am. I'm going to sit on here now. What are you guys
Kristen?
doing? Old ladies over here? Look at the old ladies over here.
My history.
Hello.
Did you take a picture of the old ladies over here?
Yeah, the two old ladies. Yeah, I got a picture of them. They're locked
Old
in.
lady one and old lady two. Oh, I know, you're cooking. Is that what you guys are doing?
Right. Yeah, we're waiting for you guys to really don't do shit.
I got it on camera.
You're retired. So we gotta make you do something. That's right. Wait.
Yeah, again, Meg.
Did you have something on there, or are you guys just thinking?
Beautiful. Very impressive. Never can do one.
Well, I'd like to talk to you, but I gotta stay in the sun, so I gotta move my chair over here and we'll talk more here.
There's the pool.
More than I should.
Yeah.
I could probably pull out a little bit.
You know what? I didn't. That's right. I didn't see it when it was painted.
Huh?
I don't think it was painted when I saw it last. It's a 1941 Mercury. Very nice.
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
You got a lot of takers for cheeseburgers.
I don't know who ought to keep.
Janet wants one,
I
Megan
don't.
wants one.
Bill,